Hello, my name is Fred and I've been working at Chamberlain since 2020 in the safety department. Today I will show you all the things that you can buy from us for your gas geyser installation. Please do take note that you will need a professional gas installer for this installation. Here we go. You will have your gas geyser flue, your connection. Please do take note that these connections are only here for demo purposes. There are some things that might differ with your installation, such as the size of your gas bottle, the regulation valve, the connector hose, and some of the connections here. You'll have all of these things that are running cold water to your gas geyser to keep you out of the cold during load shedding. When you walk into Chamberlain's, you will find that we have a wide variety of sizes and brands and all the accessories to connect it. Do not hesitate to buy any of them, for they are good quality. For any further assistance or expert advice, please visit any one of our 9 Chamberlain stores across Gauteng. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.